If your wheels are covered in brake dust, dirt, and road grime, this video is for you. We tested the best wheel cleaners to see which products deliver the deepest clean with the least effort. From alloy to chrome rims, these cleaners were compared for cleaning power, safety, and value. Stay tuned for our top recommendations, and don't forget to check the links in the description box below for more details and pricing. Now, let's dive in.
Number 1 is the P&S Brake Buster Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This professional-grade 1-gallon concentrate is built for serious detailing demands. Its non-acidic, high-foaming formula aggressively lifts brake dust, oil, dirt, and light corrosion without compromising any wheel finish. Designed specifically for detailing shops and dedicated enthusiasts, it delivers salon-quality results consistently. The gallon size offers outstanding cost-per-ounce value compared to retail-sized alternatives.
Mixing before application adds slight preparation time versus ready-to-use sprays, though the superior performance makes it worthwhile. For professionals and passionate enthusiasts who prioritize exceptional cleaning power, long-term economy, and finish-safe reliability, P&S Brake Buster is the undisputed premium choice.
Number 2 is the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Rapid Decon Wheel Cleaner. This 23-ounce dual-action formula is redefining efficient wheel care. It uniquely combines surface cleaning with iron contamination removal, a 2-in-1 advantage most competitors simply cannot match. The signature purple color shift visually confirms active breakdown of embedded iron particles and stubborn surface contaminants simultaneously.
A low-odor formulation keeps extended detailing sessions noticeably more pleasant, while single-purpose brake dust cleaners may offer marginally stronger focused performance. The added iron removal capability delivers genuine, real-world value. For owners battling contaminated wheels and paint surfaces, Turtle Wax Rapid Decon offers smart, versatile cleaning that accomplishes more with every spray.
Number 3 is the Koch-Chemie Alkali Wheel Cleaner. This professional-grade 1-liter solution is engineered for maximum contamination removal. Its elevated pH chemistry aggressively dissolves stubborn brake dust and embedded grime while remaining surprisingly gentle during hands-on application. Developed exclusively for professional detailers demanding uncompromising performance, the generous 1-liter capacity extends working sessions significantly beyond standard spray bottles.
Proper ventilation and careful handling are recommended given its powerful formulation, a minor consideration against the exceptional results delivered. For detailing professionals who accept nothing less than flawless wheels, Koch-Chemie stands confidently in a class of its own. Number 3 is the Armorall Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. It brings serious cleaning muscle in a generous 24-ounce bottle. Its deep penetrating formula cuts through stubborn grease, tar, brake dust, and packed dirt, even in hard-to-reach crevices. Safe across factory and aftermarket finishes alike, it tackles tough buildup without etching or surface damage. The larger size offers better long-term value compared to smaller alternatives, making it ideal for frequent use. While lacking the finish-specific specialization of premium competitors, its broad compatibility compensates well. For budget-minded detailers needing dependable, versatile performance across multiple vehicles and wheel types, Armorall delivers consistent, no-nonsense results every time.
Number 5 is the Chemical Guys Signature Series Wheel Cleaner. This 16-ounce powerhouse is engineered for precision cleaning. Formulated for gloss, chrome, painted, powder-coated, and clear-coated surfaces, its advanced high-cling foam adheres longer than typical competitors, maximizing dissolving time on stubborn brake dust and embedded road grime. Unlike aggressive acid-based alternatives, this pH-balanced solution protects delicate finishes while delivering professional-grade results.
The compact bottle means more frequent restocking, though the concentrated performance justifies every purchase. For detail-oriented owners who refuse to compromise on wheel care quality, Chemical Guy's Signature Series stands as a trusted, finish-safe solution that consistently exceeds expectations.
Number 6 is the Chemical Guy's Sprayable Diablo Wheel Cleaner. It delivers premium cleaning convenience in a versatile 32-ounce bottle. Its ready-to-use formula requires zero mixing. Simply spray and start cleaning immediately across cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs alike. The powerful solution cuts through neglected brake dust and stubborn road grime on every wheel and rim finish without hesitation.
Sitting comfortably between small retail bottles and bulky gallon concentrates, the 32-ounce size strikes a practical balance. While priced above budget alternatives, the proven Chemical Guy's performance and effortless application justify the premium. For detail-focused owners craving instant, professional-grade results, Diablo delivers without compromise.
And that's our full breakdown of the best wheel cleaners on the market. We hope our real-world testing saved you time and money. Whether you go budget or premium, clean wheels make every car look better. Drop your questions in the comments. We read every one. All products and latest prices are linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.